guys, in today's video, I make a BT21 doll room. I think this is the best doll room I've made so far. And of course, it's a foldable doll room because it doesn't occupy a lot of space as every single video that I make. This is not a tutorial, what a surprise! No, because I'm not an expert yet and I'm still learning and my cracks aren't the best, but they aren't the worst. If you want to follow this video, you're free to follow this video, but just keep in mind that this is not a tutorial. I'm just gonna stop talking, so let's just get right into the video. Every single time that I do a dollhouse, start by cutting up a cereal box because I always want to recycle some cardboard, you know. I think I will be painting the inside some color. I still don't know what color. Probably some blue. And then I will be painting some BT21 characters, cut them out of the paper, and paste them onto the wall. For now, I finished this BT21 sign. I can probably put it here or something. And I'll be decorating with stickers from Descendants, but obviously not stickers that represent Descendants. I can use some diamonds or roses, you know. So now I'm gonna paste this BT21 drawing that I made, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Perfect. So for the floor, what I will be doing is, I'm short in material, so I will be working with anything that I can find. I found this from a fashion pack, and I'm gonna be gluing it here. I will be gluing like probably some foam. As you can see here, there's a little flap, so it can be a perfect floor without something covering it. And I am thinking to make a window out of some strips of cardboard that I cut from the top of the cereal box, and I don't know, like form it into a window. So I got this blue foam and I will be gluing it to this cardboard, and it's not the exact same size, but it's sort of close. I got this piece of plastic, clear plastic, and I'm just gonna glue them all together, all of the pieces. Here is the finished window, and now I will be taping it right here. Ta-da! So you can either do it like this or like this. So I thought the acrylic paint was gonna be very hard to paint, so I just brought a bunch of colored pens, and I think it will work out. Ta-da! I finally did it! Because I glued it with a purple glue stick, I don't think it's gonna stay for a while. So I'm gonna cover the whole entire wall in Mod Podge. So I am planning to make a couch. Well, when I say couch, I mean just a simple wooden whatever and a cushion with some pillows around it. I think this looks really tie-dye, and I will be making some BT21 pillows. I'm gonna be making a pillow of Tata. Stay tuned to see how it works. I ruined it. I completely ruined it. Why did I do this? Why did I did this? Why? It looks like a horror movie Tata. This was a waste of time and footage. I'll probably make a separate video about it because this is too much hard work. I am going to make just a simple square pillow that says BT21. So I'm gonna try to draw this puffy paint. Wish me luck. That's in camera. It looks better. I will let it pass. Yay! Now the final thing to do is just fill in the room with some furniture. Ta-da! Finally, the room is done. I'll show you a room tour. Here is like a sitting area. It's just a bunch of pillows scattered around. And you have a BT21 pillow that looks better in camera. I put these pillows because I thought they would go with the rooms. And the wallpaper is with colored gems and the BT21 characters like Man, Cookie, Tata, Jimmy, RJ, Koya, Egg, Shuki. Oh, Shuki's like, oh my god, it's just, Shuki was really hard to draw, so I just put 2 Shukis and they're only at the bottom. That's sad. I feel really bad. I'll probably make some more. Okay, anyways, and there's a desk right there with a phone, a bookshelf, and a computer that I made, and some posters of BT21, and Tata and Chimi that I drew. And obviously there's a window that folds, like you can put it like this or like this. You can adjust it wherever you want. I will put more clutter here, but I just couldn't find any more. So I'm really happy with the outcome. I think this is the best doll room I've ever made because I took more time in making it. You guys liked it and enjoyed it, and if we did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Honestly, it's my favorite room I've done so far, and I hope you found this video useful. Well, that's everything for this video, but I'll